This is an update in technical analysis on DoorDash Incorporated, company of the technology sector and information here off the 300-minute interval. I had mentioned it just yesterday, an objective short trade entry, February 16th, 2023, trading at spot price 66.89, and it has been rejected rapidly from that premier inflection point there. And the entire trade thus far was good for 66.89. It's good for a 9.6% crash. Looks like we had some sort of reaction right off that 61.77. Looks like it's starting to struggle to maintain any bounce there on a complete backfill of the gap. I've added this small, call it a minor trend line here off that reactionary low at the beginning of December there, and just a premier inflection point here. What we have the 350 moving average hovering right below, call it a dual line of support there, coinciding with this potential convergence divergence of a complete crossover of the 12.26.9 MACD. And again, if we get anything beautiful, overarching, gaping potential crossover, just we're either going to cross right through it in a complete bearish PPO crossover, even compared to the oscillator. We already have stochastics already completely crossing over, or we're going to get that slip and slide where we'll have some bids start to step in. But again, we're just at another minor key inflection point, and I would only suspect more moves to the downside if we take out this 350 moving average, maybe even on a complete back test to the bottom of that key trading range, coinciding with that 61.77 price resistance, which would add an additional short trade position size, if not an entry, down for another 10% crash down to 56.05, which would be trading from here another 10%, 9.3% drop down to 51.76 for another 17% crash, down to 46.36 for a 25% crash, and then to 42.43 for a complete 32% crash. Especially this key level. I like these two key levels right here. I'm going to color code them. I would only suspect a very powerful swift move to the downside in a waterfall selling type event if taken out. But we do have that near-term divergent high now, with negative divergences constructed on all four indicators now, with stochastics 10.330 completely just crossing over and melting down already. So premier inflection point. We lost that trade on DraftKings yesterday, but again, made up for it with diversity. Diversity is really a key functioning mechanism to any trading strategy.